Hello and welcome to the GCSE Art and Design course here at Ashiel Academy. Why should I study the subject? Well, there are many various ways and reasons why a student may want to study art and design at Ashiel Academy here. GCSE Art and Design is an AQA course and you study a variety of different things including fine art, graphics, ceramics, three-dimensional studies, as this is all part of an art, design and craft element of the AQA course. It is a 2-year course starting in Year 9 and finishing at the end of Year 10, but more about that later through this PowerPoint. If you enjoy being creative, imaginative and hands-on, want to increase your practical skills and improve your analytical, communication and research abilities, art and design is a great choice. The skills you gain make it a great complement to other subjects. Art and design is a way of seeing things and making sense of the world around you. It can help you with further study and prepare you for the world of work. Art, craft and design is an excellent general introduction to the journey of art and creativity, and you'll look at different approaches to art, use lots of different media, techniques, materials, and work in a wide variety of genres and processes, including painting, printing, 3D building, and graphic communication, all of which are underpinned by artists, designers and cultures. What skills will you learn during the Art and Design AQA course? Well, there are a huge variety of skills that you will learn, and these are all added on from your Key Stage 3 in Year 7 and 8. Alongside improving your practical expertise, you'll learn how to develop, refine and record your ideas, present a personal response that realises your intentions, improve your creative skills through the effective and safe use of media, materials, techniques, processes and technology, which I would just like to mention that we have an extensive range of skills and equipment in the art department, and we encourage all students to have a go at every choice of media and process on offer. If by the end of the time that you've had a go at that skill and that is not something that's your preferred way of working, then we are extremely flexible and we always try to find a media, material or technology process that actually suits everybody's creative abilities and passion. You will successfully use visual language and the formal elements, for example, colour, line, form, shape, tone and texture. These underpin everything we do in art, design and craft. And you will use drawing skills for different needs and purposes. And that's really important, the looking, the observing, drawing things that are technically correct, drawing aspects that are imaginative as well. So the fit for purpose bit of drawing doesn't always have to be realistic, and we like to reassure our learners that when choosing art and design that they don't always have to be the best at drawing. Drawing is in very many different ways and extends upon what we think the traditions are within art, craft and design as well. How will it fit in with your other subjects? Studying art and design helps create a broad and balanced curriculum, which is an excellent foundation for whatever you want to do afterwards. The transferable skills you gain, such as creativity, analysing and problem solving, complement a wide range of other subjects here at Ashiel and also careers. Can't wait to get started? Well, as your head of department, I am extremely proud to run art and design at Ashiel Academy, and between myself and Miss Yates, you can come and talk to us at any single point, and also the Careers Advisor in school will be able to help support your choices for your career and make sure that you are studying the right GCSEs for your pathway. But come and have a word with us. We are here in lessons to support you. Any questions at all, we're happy to answer so that you have a clear idea of what you are opting for. How will I be assessed? The course in AQA, Art, Craft and Design, is made up of 2 components. Component 1, portfolio of work, which is your coursework, and component 2, which is an externally set assignment. In Year 9, you will be working specifically on your portfolio. There is no time limit, it's worth up to 96 marks and it is 60% of your final overall GCSE mark. During Year 10, you will be continuing with your coursework, and normally we study 2 different types of projects, so you get an extensive set of coursework portfolio ready for your grading. During Year 10, after Christmas, Component 2 comes into play, the externally set assignment. This is set by AQA and not by Ashhill Academy. Followed by a period of 10 hours of supervised time. This is a practical examination, part 2 of the course, where you will produce an outcome for Component 2. The whole of Component 2 again is worth 96 marks, and it is 40% of your final GCSE mark. As I mentioned before, the externally set assignment is written by AQA and is normally a series of starting points that you, as the artist, would choose the best suited one that you found an interest and a passion to drive forward to achieve your externally set assigned final piece. Each component is marked holistically against 4 assessment objectives: AO1, AO2, AO3 and AO4. AO1, develop ideas through investigations demonstrating critical understanding of sources. We like to say to the students that this is all to do with artist links. So we look at artists, we look at cultures, and we look at genres of art. AO2, refine work by exploring ideas, selecting and experimenting with appropriate media materials, techniques and processes. This is the section that students enjoy specifically for experimentation reasons. Deciding and learning what materials and media work, what doesn't, learning from those little errors or mishaps, but actually for the good of the actual final outcome, this helps refine and move work on in a very imaginative way. AO3, recording ideas, observations and insights relevant to intentions as work progresses. Again, the section we talk to students about on AO3 is your recording of ideas and drawing. From realistic to imaginative, your insights, what is it that you are trying to achieve and why? This is all based on practical hands-on drawing and thought showers, so that we can actually put together where you're going to then build your AO1, 2 and 4 from. AO4, present a personal and meaning response that realises your intentions and demonstrates an understanding of all the above visual language. In other words, we describe this to the students as the final outcome. So you've worked very hard on AO1, 2 and 3. How does it all come together for that final outcome that represents the whole project as a whole section of work? Future courses or careers. Where will GCSE Art and Design take you? A lot of students often wonder, what can I do with it? I know I enjoy it. I choose it because I'm good at it. I choose it because I absolutely love it and can't imagine studying school for the next couple of years and never doing art again. So you can continue your art and design studies at AS and A level, where the same titles are available. You'll also be able to choose areas of study to specialise in within a particular title. For example, graphic design, games design, app design, fashion design. Studying art and design at school opens the door to a range of careers in the creative arts industries. The creative industry in the UK contributes to more than £100 billion to the economy and employ more than 2 million people. That's a lot of people in the art and design industry with a lot of jobs. The creative industry is one area that is still growing in the UK despite the crisis that we've been seeing recently. People with creative skills are highly valued in a rapidly changing world of work. There are hundreds of specialisms, but it is competitive and you do need to work hard. If you don't want to take your art and design studies any further, the transferable skills you gain will still be valuable. You'll develop problem solving, creative thinking, investigation, research communication and teamwork skills, and gain the ability to develop, refine and present ideas. Employers and university regard all of these highly. Careers and jobs? Well, the list is endless. If you was to come and have a look and have a chat with us, we can actually tell you and show you more careers than what is listed here. But graphics designer, fashion designer, architect, teacher, set designer, film set designer, games designer, app designer, photographer, they're just a few. The world of art is all around us. Without people like yourself opting for courses such as art and design here at Ashhill Academy, then things would never ever progress in the art and design industry. You are the future of our creativity. So thank you for your time, and if you have any further questions you can speak to myself, Mrs. Witter, or you can always speak to Mrs. Yates, your art teacher.